Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's just jump in and start with the video. The wig that I'm using today is from this brand called Atira. I have no clue how to pronounce this name, but yeah, I'm so sorry. So yeah, those are some of the goodies that I received, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my wig cap on. And today I'm using the ball cap method because I want to have this wig longer, and I'm gonna leave few videos down below how I do it. So this is the hair that I'm gonna be working with today. I'm a little bit scared because I haven't ever put this color before. Scared and excited at the same time. So this is how the wig looks inside. This is 150 density wig, and this is 18 inches wig. It is also a 13x4 wig. So yeah, this wig is amazing. It's beautiful. I love the color, and honestly I really love this wig already. So I kind of like plug the hair a little bit, and I also wash the wig, so that's why the wig looks like that. I wash it and also I pre-plug it, but the hair already come pre-plug, and you don't have to wash the hair. I just did it because I wanted to see if the color gonna come out or not, and guess what, the color didn't. So yeah, I'm safe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my glue on. I'm gonna use this glue right here. You guys know that every time I want to have my wig for longer time, this is the best wig glue for me. And I'm gonna have this wig approximately 2 weeks max, so I'm gonna apply like a couple layers, and then I'm gonna wait until it gets dry, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig exactly where I want it. One more thing that I have to say is that if you guys would like to see like a step-by-step how I put my wig on, because this video is not for beginners and it's not like a explanatory video, so I'm gonna list few videos down below where you guys can go and watch a step-by-step how I install my wig. So on this video I'm just gonna focus on the quality of the wig and also how the wig looks like and all of that. But if you guys will like an explanatory video, I'm gonna leave them down below, so make sure to check them out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my lace, as you guys can see, and I'm using one of my favorite tools. This is my face eraser, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to cut my lace. And then for the rest of my wig, I'm gonna be using my small scissor to cut everything off. And as you guys can see, yeah, we got it, and we're gonna take that big piece off. Now I'm using my freezing spray from got to be. You guys know that I always use this spray, and I'm gonna apply that exactly in front of my wig. And the reason why I would do it is to have an extra secure. I love to do it. You don't have to, but I love to do it. And also I'm using my comb to press everything down and make sure that everything looks nice and on place. And after that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my scarf, and I'm gonna put it on my head, and I think I'm gonna leave it there until I'm gonna finish to style my hair. So you can use whatever thing you have in your house. You don't have to use the same thing as me. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start styling the wig, and I'm gonna start by brushing the hair. So if you guys saw that some pieces is coming off of your hair or some hair is coming off, don't panic. It's colorful wig. You should expect that, at least when it doesn't come like crazy or too much. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my middle part. The only way that you can wear this wig is by doing middle part. You cannot wear a side part or anything else, just middle part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take some pieces out that I'm gonna start working with, and the rest I'm gonna put it in a small bun, as you guys can see. And after that I'm gonna separate 2 more pieces because I love to straighten my hair in small pieces. I don't know you guys, but I love it. I think like you kind of like actually get the effect that you're trying to achieve. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my oil straightener. I really want to change this straightener. If you guys have like any straightener recommendation, please leave it down below for me. So this is one of my favorite methods to straighten my hair because you actually get that sleek straight hair. And honestly, if I knew that I'm not gonna wear a straight hair, as you guys are gonna see at the end, I think if I didn't do that, because I kind of like waste the time that I couldn't be doing something else. But yeah, I'm gonna finish to straighten my hair, and I'm gonna fast this part of the video because we all already know how to straighten our hair. And yeah, so enjoy the video, and I'm gonna see you guys after that. After straightening my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep brushing the wig, as you guys can see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my skirt off. I was kind of like scared to see the final result, but as you guys can see, the wig looks amazing, and I really love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my face eraser one more time, and I'm gonna cut the hair in front. Don't ever ask me how to do this because I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know that I want a few layers, and I just want my hair short in front, and as you guys can see, that's what I'm doing. Even though at the end I kind of like cut basically the length of the wig, I kind of like changed the length a little bit, and the hair looks more shorter than what it was. So yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. And after that, basically that's all about today's video. As you guys can see, this is the final result. I went with my mermaid style, and I hope you guys love this wig and this video in general. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.